All right, before you sell hot sauce, watch this because most new sauce makers, well, they think it's just about creating an amazing spicy recipe and putting it in a bottle. Wrong. Because hot sauce is one of the fastest growing food categories online, but it's also one of the easiest ways to mess up if you don't know the rules. Because here's the problem: you can have the best recipe in the world, right? But if it's not packaged, labeled, and even marketed correctly, nobody will buy it or even see it. And worse, if you skip food safety or even don't follow labeling laws, you'll actually get shut down before your business even takes off. So let's break this down. Welcome to Marketing Food Online. It's Damian Roberti, and founder CEO. You definitely want to hit the subscribe button if this is your first video. We are all about food business entrepreneurship. Today's video, we're going to break down specifically some information that we got asked in questions on our other channel around hot sauce businesses and how to get it up and running. First, know your costs. Now, you might think that that's kind of silly, but let me tell you something. A lot of new sellers underprice their hot sauce. They forget about glass bottles, shrink seals, labels, and even shipping. A 12-ounce bottle might only cost you $2 to make, but by the time you package it, and by the way, and ship it, you could be looking at about $5 or more per bottle in your costs. If you're selling for $6, maybe $7, you're barely going to break even. Always aim for a 60% margin. That's right, 60%, so you can actually grow your business and not just get by. Second, your packaging matters. Hot sauce buyers love unique branding. A bold label with a really cool name and clear flavor descriptions will make your bottle stand out on crowded shelves, on Amazon listings, or anywhere online. Remember, people buy with their eyes first before they taste anything. Third, compliance is huge. Now, by the way, the FDA, of course, requires nutritional labels, ingredient statements, and in many cases, processing under an approved facility, by the way. You can't just whip up some sauce at your home kitchen, ship it across the country. Get licensed, work with a co-packer if needed, and make sure your labels meet the federal and state guidelines. The fourth one, don't ignore marketing. Hot sauce sells on story. Where did your recipe come from? Is it family inspired or built around some type of unique pepper? Share that story because that is huge when it comes to marketing. Create tasting videos, recipe pairings, and even post on TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube. Content is your best sales tool in this space. Here's a pro tip. Hot sauce is perfect subscription product. People use it daily, even sometimes more than once a day, believe it or not. Bottles run out fast, and hot sauce fans love variety. Offer a monthly box. Mix the different flavors. Turn one-time buyers into loyal subscribers. So before you sell your hot sauce, remember this. Know your true costs, right? Create packaging that pops. Stay compliant with food safety rules and regulations. Market your story, not just the spice or the sauce. And think subscriptions, not just single sales. You want to do these things, and you'll stand out on one of the hottest categories in the food business right now. Subscribe now, share this video with someone who's thinking about launching their own sauce, and drop a comment below with the craziest hot sauce flavor you've ever tried, or any questions about launching your own business. This is Marketing Food Online, and we will see you guys on our next video.